for you.
Yes!
Okay, I need my friends to help me sing the Gary song.
Hooray!
Hit the music. Gary is wonderful.
Spectacular! Tasty! Awesome!
Not Asian.
Hilarious!
In California?
Cooler than puppets.
He's tan.
Not my grandpa.
Absent from my life. We need to fix that.
Very cuddly.
Button killer. Kind of old, but in like a really cool way. A people person.
This is so...
Wicked smack.
He loves Dr. Pepper.
And to sing too. No white edges.
An authority figure.
He loves his rainbows. Side hug professional. I like Angie. Another adjective here.
That's so wonderful. This here,
So great.
so beautiful.
There were not very many things.
The beautiful words of Gary. And I'd like to end with this phrase. Won't you sing it with me, Squirrel?
Yeah.